There we go. Now we can see it has the data it needs. Before it didn't, and it was just giving it an error. So we might want to reposition this explosion, and it fades out, but it could do some other things as well, like rotate and scale. So let's go and do that. We will make our fireball animate nicely first, then we will go and change its positioning lastly, because we don't want to reposition it and then go and change how it looks and then have to reposition it again. Kind of a waste of time. So close that, save that. Back in our explosion particle, we want it to do a few more things than just fade away. I'm going to give it a starting alpha, so I'm going to say set alpha to 1. This is just in case later on maybe we want it to start with a different alpha, and then it's constantly fading away. Maybe I might make it fade away a little bit more slowly, maybe 0.01. I'll also get it to rotate. So from transform, I'll set the starting rotation to 0. That means it hasn't rotated at all. And then I want it to constantly set its rotation to rotation plus a number. Let's try plus 1. So that'll increase its rotation. It'll spin slowly. How about also scaling it? From transform we can say set scale x of myself, and we can increase that number. Let's say set scale x to scale x plus scale x of myself plus 1 will be 100%, 0 will be 0%. So let's try, we'll increase it by 0.5, 5% every frame. Let's try that. Scale x plus 0.05. Same thing for scale y. Actually, scale y will just inherit the scale x, and we'll tell our scale x and our scale y when we when the object is first created. We'll make our scale x and scale y. Maybe we'll make them 50% as large as they are to begin with. So it'll start out as 0.5. And then the scale y can just inherit the scale x. Okay, so it'll be fading out, it'll be rotating, and it'll be increasing its size. Starting a bit smaller though. Let's test that. Whoa! Okay, that's a little bit crazy. It is probably rotating around its anchor point. Right, okay, its default anchor point. We need to remember to center its anchor point if we're going to be rotating it. So from transform, center anchor point of myself. Let's test that. Interesting. They get really big.